Stop scrolling. The age of giant AI is officially dead. While you were sleeping, tiny models just took over the world. For years, we've been amazed by massive AI systems. But overnight, the landscape has shifted. The focus is no longer on size or scale, but on efficiency and accessibility. This is a turning point in technology, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. The giants are falling, and a new era is beginning, one where smaller, smarter AI is taking the lead. Let's dive into how this revolution is unfolding and what it means for all of us. Remember GPT-4, that massive, expensive dinosaur? It's being crushed by AI that can fit on your toaster. The days of needing huge server farms and endless resources are gone. Now, AI is becoming lightweight and accessible, fitting into everyday devices you already own. This shift means that powerful intelligence is no longer reserved for big tech companies. Instead, it's moving into your home, your pocket, and even your kitchen appliances. The age of the AI giant is fading, and the rise of the tiny, efficient model is here to stay. In 2026, small language models, or SLMs, are the new kings. They're faster, cheaper, and scarily smart. Unlike their massive predecessors, SLMs don't need a supercomputer to run. They're designed to be efficient, delivering top-tier performance without the heavy costs. This means more people and businesses can access advanced AI, leveling the playing field. The speed and intelligence of SLMs are changing what's possible, making AI more practical and widespread than ever before. The future belongs to those who can do more with less. We're talking about AI that doesn't need a massive server farm. It lives right here on your phone, offline. This is a game changer for privacy and accessibility. You don't have to rely on cloud connections or worry about your data traveling across the internet. Instead, the intelligence is right at your fingertips, ready to help you instantly, wherever you are. This shift empowers users, making advanced AI tools available even in remote or disconnected locations. The power of AI is now truly personal. Imagine 100% privacy. No data centers, no leaks. Just pure intelligence in the palm of your hand. With SLMs running locally, your personal information stays with you. There's no risk of sensitive data being intercepted or misused. This new approach to AI puts you in control, offering peace of mind and security. It's a future where you can trust your devices to be both smart and safe, without compromise. The era of private, powerful AI has arrived. But why is this happening now? Because size doesn't equal genius anymore. It's all about the data quality. The smartest models aren't the biggest, they're the ones trained on the best information. This shift in focus means that even small models can outperform giants if they're built right. The AI world is learning that smarter training beats brute force. As a result, we're seeing a new generation of AI that's lean, efficient, and incredibly capable. The giants learned from the whole internet, including the junk. These tiny models, they've been fed the gold only. By focusing on high-quality, curated data, SLMs avoid the noise and confusion that comes with massive, unfiltered datasets. This makes them sharper, more accurate, and less prone to mistakes. It's like training an athlete with the best nutrition instead of fast food. The result? AI. That's not just smaller, but smarter. They're like elite athletes compared to a giant, slow-moving crowd. Lean, mean, and ready to work. These SLMs are optimized for speed and accuracy, making them perfect for real-world applications. Instead of being bogged down by unnecessary information, they focus on what matters most. This makes them incredibly responsive and effective, able to tackle tasks with precision and agility. The age of slow, lumbering AI is over. Welcome to the era of elite, high-performance intelligence. Companies are ditching million-dollar monthly bills for SLMs that cost pennies to run. The math is undeniable. With lower hardware requirements and energy consumption, businesses can now deploy AI at scale without breaking the bank. This cost revolution is making advanced technology accessible to startups and small businesses, not just tech giants. The financial barriers are falling, opening up new possibilities for innovation and competition. Wait until you hear this. A model with 1/100th the size is now beating the God models in coding and logic. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's a leap forward. Smaller models are proving that efficiency and quality can outperform sheer size. They're excelling in complex tasks, from programming to problem solving, showing that the future of AI is about being smart, not just big. The rules of the game have changed. This isn't just a tech upgrade. This is a total democratization of power. Everyone is an AI dev now. With SLMs, the tools to create and customize AI are in the hands of everyday people, not just experts. This shift is empowering individuals and small teams to innovate and solve problems in ways that were never possible before. The barriers to entry are gone, and the possibilities are endless. The future of AI is in your hands. Your fridge, your car, even your smart glasses are now running localized brains. They react in milliseconds. This means smarter appliances, safer vehicles, and more intuitive wearables. AI is no longer limited to computers and phones. It's embedded in the fabric of daily life. Every device you use is becoming more responsive, adapting to your needs instantly. The intelligence revolution is happening all around you, quietly making life smoother and more connected. Latency is gone, the typing. Bubbles are gone. It's instant. It's fluid. It's human. With SLMs running locally, you get real-time responses without waiting for a server to reply. Conversations with AI feel natural and seamless, just like talking to another person. This breakthrough is making technology more intuitive and enjoyable, bridging the gap between humans and machines. The future of interaction is here, and it's lightning fast. Think about the implications. Real-time translation in your ear, with zero lag, in the middle of a desert. This is the kind of breakthrough that changes lives. Whether you're traveling, working, or just connecting with others, language barriers disappear. The power of instant, offline AI means you're never out of reach, no matter where you are. It's a new world of communication made possible by the rise of SLMs. No Wi-Fi? No problem. The intelligence is baked into the hardware. This changes everything for humanity. Now, you're not dependent on internet access to use advanced AI. Whether you're off the grid or in a remote location, your devices stay smart and responsive. This breakthrough opens up new possibilities for education, safety, and productivity worldwide. The future is here, and it's always on.